lot of clients are still looking for distressed real estate, foreclosure properties, this sort of thing. I ran across this post here by Alexis McGee. She's a fellow realtor here in the Sacramento market. She really focuses on distressed real estate. And this one stuck out to me. Wow, I've seen houses get lost to foreclosure, but when it's an active realtor with equity in his home that didn't try to sell it, that's another story. You could read the whole post there. The realtor that lost this home had $200,000 in equity in his home. He was in Chapter 13. He'd fallen behind. I don't know who it is. I don't know the property. But the point here is that here's somebody that's in trouble on their property. They've been in bankruptcy. They're falling behind. And they just held on to that property to every last hope they were going to be able to save it. And then they got foreclosed on, and $200,000 in equity vanished. This is a map of the Sacramento market. This is the backside of my MLS. Watch this. I'm going to go in and layer this in. We look at 30-day defaults. Look at that. 30 to 60-day defaults. 60 to 90, 3 to 4 months, 4 to 6 months. Let's throw auctions in there. This is what's happening in the Sacramento market right now. There are, I don't know how many homes in foreclosure, but they have equity in them. These homes, they're in foreclosure, they have equity in them, and that's the difference right now. I have one particular listing that had equity in it, like $300,000. They couldn't make their payment, and they just came to me. They said, "Alex, we just need to sell this thing. We need to sell it fast." And so they took a haircut on price. I didn't really have time to market it, and we got it sold. These people are walking with solid 6 figures. My point is this: if you're one of these yellow marks on this map and you're behind and you're holding out for every hope, go get a plan B. You got to have a plan B, because if you can't save the house, you got to be able to get that thing listed and sold so that at least you can get some cash out and go on with your life. Don't be like this guy. Don't let that $200,000 go. Have a plan B. That's my message for you here this week. All right. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up. Give me some comments on it. I'd like to know what you think, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.